What's up, everyone? You all know I said we're gonna do 4 vlogs on the G-Wagon. So here we are, just getting ready to pick up my G-Wagon 320 short wheelbase, and it is fully wrapped. It had some stuff that needed to get done, and we're gonna go pick it up. So we're off to Canadian Image Customs, OK Tire. There's a little model page over there. And baby, let's go check out baby. Baby Mirabella. Hey baby. Are you wearing your RyFips? No, you're wearing your baby Fips toque. How rad is that? All right, so we're gonna go jump in Mama G's G-Wagon and go pick up the little G. We're in the G-Wagon, Mama G, and we're off to go see Kelly and Bryce at Canadian Image Customs, OK Tire. A couple buddies of mine that own a couple stores. And yeah, got a little model page is driving right now. Let's hear it, baby. Woo!
She's speeding.
You're not speeding. No. Hey baby, how are you back there? Mirabella. Let's see if we can zoom in. And yes, I'll be getting a wide angle lens soon.
I think it's in the mail.
It's in the mail right now. There's little baby. You gonna talk to us?
Mirabella.
Hey Mirabella. No, nothing. So I should have had this truck back quite a while ago, but it had some issues. One of the issues was it came from Japan and there was an aftermarket stereo installed, like they all are, and the wiring was done extremely poor. And when I put in my aftermarket taillights to update the look of it, it fried some stuff because of the wiring issues. So
you showed them the box?
I did not show them the box. I have a part at home. We didn't keep the box of wiring that got removed, but it was absolutely insane how much wiring came out of the vehicle. But it pretty much almost caught on fire because it was so brutal. There was just wires sitting there, not grounded or anything like that. And yeah, so it was in the shop for a while, but it's back. It's actually had to get a custom exhaust made on it as well. The exhaust was rotten on it. So looking forward to hearing what it sounds like.
It's only been a few months. You're not that excited for it.
Yeah, not excited at all. Like, I feel like Stradman right now because I'm talking so fast. Oh yeah, one other thing, speaking of like YouTube celebrities, Dave, I'm wearing my Mercedes hat. So I know you always wear your Mercedes hat when you drive your G-Wagon that you don't own anymore. But is yours signed by an F1 driver? Yeah, that's Stroll. That's the Canadian F1 driver. So yeah, I don't like one-upping people, but just one-upped you, Dave.
Did you get that last year?
Yes, I did get it last year. Your mom actually got it signed for me at the F1 race in Montreal.
D-Balls?
Yeah, Donna. Yeah, Lindsay's mom's name is D-Balls. Yeah, that's, she's never gonna live that down. It's now on YouTube. Little mall page. Are you?
I'm a little jealous because she's met, was it Ronaldo?
The soccer guy?
No, who's the handsome driver?
I don't drive an F1.
Well, the guy that's not as handsome as you, but that's pretty handsome.
The guy that wins all the time, Alonso?
No, the dark guy. No, you're making this. Oh my God.
Put the comments below of who the
Ricardo! Is it Ricardo?
There is a guy named Ricardo, but that's not the guy you're thinking of.
I'm gonna phone my mom.
Oh, this is getting a little boring, Paige.
I'm gonna phone my mom. Who's the F1 driver that's handsome that you've met 3 times that I'm jealous about?
Oh, the black guy. Who's my F1 driver? Hang on.
Neil Armstrong?
No. Stop it. He's landed on the planet, just on the moon. It's, Who's my guy? No.
I come by it honestly.
Come on, D-balls. Let's hear it.
Ricardo?
No,
Told you it wasn't Ricardo.
he's the black guy with braids.
Lewis!
He's the black guy that wins the F1 all the time.
Lewis
Come on.
Hamilton! Lewis
In a
Hamilton!
minute, I'll text it to you.
Oh my
I got
god.
it, it's Lewis Hamilton!
It's Hamilton.
I know!
Hamilton.
I know!
Hey, D-balls.
There's a cop behind.
Hamilton.
Hey, D-balls, who signed my hat, my Mercedes hat you got for me?
You're a Canadian driver.
Yeah, that's good enough. We'll take it. Thanks, Donna. You're on YouTube.
Okay, love you. Bye.
There's a cop behind me.
Coppers, look at that. Mirabella. Coppers are after mommy again. She was speeding and she's too loud.
They're after mommy.
Bye, Mom!
Well, we just made it to CIC OK Tire right there. And check it out, first time seeing it. Well, actually, I've already seen it, but first time for you guys to see it. A Nosatech Turquoise Dream. Let's go check it out. I'm here inside of CIC OK Tire and check this place out. Like, they do all kinds of stuff. They work on exotic cars, they work on lifted vehicles. Yeah, it can do all kinds of maintenance. From lifted Jeeps to Ferraris. They do service work, inspections. They did actually all the work on my little G320. This thing's pretty rad. Wow, good. Got it all ripped apart. Chevy Blazer. I actually had one of these when I was younger. My family did. And I was in it when it burnt to the ground. Check this out. This is absolutely crazy. That tab is completely off the chassis. Like, holy crap. Wow. My biggest fan right there. Jeez. That's nuts. Here we go. Here's the new exhaust. Gotta remember, it's a G320, so it's a V6. All right, hit it, Bryce. Woo! Like it. One more time, bud. Awesome. Sounds sick. So check this out, boys. One of the raddest things I had done was I had the interior done in this Turquoise Dream as well. Turned out so freaking rad. Love it. All right, there she is. She's finally home. And yeah, this is the first time we've ever had all three G-Wagons together. So we are officially the G-Wagon #1 ambassadors on YouTube. So take that, you know who. Yeah, so let's get the other two G's out here and get a little photo op. All right, here it is, everybody. All three G-Wagons all together. So we got Mama G, we got Baby G, and we got Daddy G. How rad is that? All three finally together for the very, very first time. So sick. Andy from Mirror Image Customs, you killed it with the wraps from a Nosatech. And then Kelly And Bryce from CIC, OK Tire, thank you so much for hooking me up and fixing my daddy G and getting all the electrical issues fixed. That was crazy. Oh man, this looks so sick. Hey, Luke, what's going on, man?
Not much, how are you?
Not too much. Where'd you get that hoodie from?
You know, I found it from RyFips.
Oh, that is pretty rad, man, pretty rad. If you want a RyFips hoodie, hit up H Customs. Link in the description or something. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. That is rad. What are you doing here today?
I'm gonna help RyFips take some photos of his brand new G-Wagon. Look.
Sweet. So I bet you the thumbnail for this video will be your picture.
Can't wait to see it.
Sweet, let's do this. Oh, and he brought a drone. Alright guys, and on that bombshell, it got really cold, so you can see I got an outfit change here. But on that bombshell, it's time to end this vlog. So, little page, where are you? Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell right up here, and we'll see you in the next vlog. What do you want to see? You've now seen G-Wagons. You want to see Lambos again, don't you? So, follow along and hopefully we got something cool for you to see. So, peace! Alright, so, just doing a photo shoot with my new little G-Wagon here, convertible, and it's got a dead battery, so rugged geek to the rescue right there. This guy, let's see, 92%. I've charged this thing once since I got it, so let's see if she starts.